Hi Internet friends, it's Tim Schrock on today's Tech Tip Tuesday video. Today's tip is a conundrum, and I know I've experienced this before, and I've seen several of you have the same experience. I opened up my computer today and found out that it had done some Windows updates without my knowledge last night. And so when I opened up Chief Architect Premiere X15, my toolbars are gone. So that's today's video topic. Getting your toolbars back. Let's see how we do this. Let's start right after this. Thank you all so much for watching these videos, for interacting, liking, subscribing, and commenting. I enjoy the interaction with each of you as you have comments and thoughts and questions. And would you consider, I put a lot of time and effort and knowledge into these videos. Would you consider leaving a tip at paypal.me/designbuildsolutions? Just, price of a cup of coffee. That would go a long way to helping me continue on these videos. Let's get into this video today on toolbars. I have actually X12, 13, 14, and 15 installed on this computer. So I opened up 15 and the toolbars were gone. I thought, let's try 14. The toolbars are here. So 15. I'm going to try to figure out what we're doing here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to right click next to my file name and see if that works. That does not work. So I'm going to right click up on the menu bar and go to my toolbar configurations. My custom tools is the only toolbar set available. That's interesting. Because let's open up 14 again. There it is. And open this plan. And if I right click in my toolbar, I should have like these eight or nine toolbar configurations options here. And 15 only has this one available. All right. So let's close 15 and reopen it. Open up a new plan. That's not a good sign, I guess. Let's go into our file browser. I'm going to go into Documents, Chief Architect Premiere X15 data, and Toolbars. I've got multiple toolbar configurations there. Let's go back to 14 and toolbars. I've got multiple configurations there. DBS tool config .toolbar and .toolbar.back. Let's see if I've got the same thing here. DBS toolbar config and toolbar. Okay, let's go to View. Tool palette. No, we want to keep the tool palette. View. Toolbars are not up there. I'm going to switch back to 14 and see if I right click by the menu and get the same thing. Yep, I get the toolbars. Custom tools. I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to reboot the computer and pick the video back up after I've rebooted. So hold on. Okay, we rebooted, we're back. I'm going to start Chief Architect Premiere X15 again. Let's see what's going on with these toolbars. If this doesn't work, we're calling tech support. Here's something I don't quite understand recently. I've had a lot of this popping up. We're caching the zip archive of different libraries. That went actually quicker than I've been experiencing. New plan. Still not there. Right click, toolbar configurations, and I get custom tools. All right, I'm going to pause the video again and we're going to call tech support. I'll let you know what happens. Before I call tech support, I'm going to do one thing that I wish users would do on the forums and everything as well. Check out the tools you have available. There's many YouTube videos. There's many questions that have already been answered on Facebook groups or Chief Talk. You can go to Chief Talk by going on to chiefarchitect.com and hover over User Center, and there's the Chief Talk Professional Forum. I've gone into the support and knowledge base, and I'm going to type in missing tool, if I can type and spell missing toolbar. Troubleshooting missing toolbars. Display of toolbars is toggled off. Toolbars have been undocked and then closed. The program cannot find the file saving your currently active toolbar configuration. If the program cannot find the toolbar configuration file, you may encounter one or more warning messages. I did not encounter any warning messages, in fact. Turning on the display of all toolbars. Right-click on a blank area of the help menu to display a contextual menu. We actually tried this version, remember? Toolbars only shows up one. Wait a second, help? Yeah, toolbar configurations only shows up one here. Library browser, tool palette. I'm going to do this so I can see side by side. Check mark shows next to the display. I don't actually have a. So let's make sure tool palette is turned on. Tool palette's turned on. That's this piece over here on the left for me. I don't have a customize toolbars, configurations. Let's go into here. Interesting. Custom tools is the only one that's available. And it's looking in users, Timothy, documents, Chief Architect Premier X15 Data Toolbars. That is this right here, Documents Chief X15 Toolbars. Okay, to reset to the toolbars to the original configuration, select Tools, Toolbars and Hotkeys, Customize Toolbars, click on the title bar of the Toolbar Customization dialog and drag it to move the dialog box to the center of the drawing away from where the toolbars are normally docked. The toolbar panel. If I reset toolbars, let's try that. Nope. I still only have this one toolbar configuration set. Okay. Let's try reset options here. Preferences. So, edit, preferences. I think on a Mac it's file preferences. And we're going to go to reset options, reset toolbars. There we go. Reset toolbars worked. What is this? I don't know what pH means. Now let's look at my toolbar. What? Toolbar options. Okay, that sort of worked. Let's try this again. Preferences, reset options. I at least have toolbars. I've got tools at least here, but I don't have my customized toolbar options here. Okay, we're back to the help here. Okay, pause again. I'm going to have to call tech support after all because this is not working. I have a feeling I'm going to have to just import the toolbars that I want. If I customize these toolbars, I can go to configurations and import them. Now that's interesting. Wait a second. Typically, okay, my default and pH are now, I'd reset it twice. Now I've got, oh, okay, I've got something here. I can go extended, which is almost like the toolbar I had. Space planning. So yeah, terrain, default. I could do default space planning, extended. Okay. I have a feeling I know what the answer is going to be, but I'm going to call tech support and just see if let's restart Chief Architect one more time now that we've got some toolbars showing up. Close Chief Architect X15, start it again. Let's open a new file. Configurations, still missing my configurations. All right, hang on, I'll be back. So I just spoke with tech support, and notice that I have my toolbar. I have these 4 toolbar configurations now. As I was talking to him there on the phone, I pulled up my toolbars folder again and I said, I've got all the toolbar folders. Wait a second. I don't have all the configuration files in this folder in my Chief Architect Premier X15 Data Toolbars folder. So the good news is we do have these files still from the X14 toolbars. I've got all of this, which, let me back up. When I go to preferences and reset options and hit reset toolbars, it does warn you, if you restore the default toolbars, any custom toolbars that you created will be lost. If you would like to keep the toolbars current, choose cancel. I took this as saying I'm missing it. I don't have any toolbars in the program anyway. So when I clicked OK, it actually deleted all of the extra files in that folder. I thought it was just reconnecting the program to the folder, if you will. So that's where they all have gone. The other option I have is I do a backup on Carbonite of my file. So let's log into Carbonite and see if I actually have that backup. Always a good thing to have backups. Whether you're using, Dropbox to automatically back up your files, or Carbonite, or another online backup system, just do it. Here, I thought I'd show you the Carbonite backup. The backup, if you drill down, looks just like the folder system on the file folder here. So I've gone into Chief Architect Premier X15 Data, and we're going to go to page 2, and there's toolbars. Yep. So it's only showing 10 per page. I show 100 per page. There's all the files I need. I'm going to go. There we go. Let's go to toolbars again. I'm just going to download this file. How do I download that? Okay, so I've selected the folder. 62 files have been selected. I'm going to download the selected files. It's going to download a toolbars zip file. Let's unzip this, extract all. I'm going to select all of these files and copy them to my Chief Architect Premier X15 Data Toolbars folder. I'm going to replace the files in the destination. Before I do that, let's close Chief Architect and replace the files. Done. Let's open Chief Architect X15 again. New plan. Right click. Toolbar configurations is not working. I still have the zip file, so that's good. Okay, so just because I've copied them there, maybe I need to go and import. There we go. DBS toolbar config. There we go. There's my configuration. Yep, that's my configuration. I just needed, okay, so I've copied it over to the folder, and then I had to go into Customize Toolbars, Configurations, and import it. That's what I had to do. Wow, that was half hour, 45 minutes of trying to figure this out, but we got it back. I hope this has been helpful. If you like this information, would you consider leaving a tip at paypal.me/designbuildsolutions, as well as click like and subscribe right down there, hit the notification bell, and you will receive a notification each time I drop one of these videos. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Have a great week. I hope your week is better than losing toolbars. Bye-bye.